we need to lift this again carefully. Okay, something like this. Then we put the battery from this side, and we need to connect the little connector of the battery. So this thing here. Okay, so I want to do one thing. I want to use a tool not like this, because this is metallic. I want to use something insulated, like this, for instance, something made in plastic, because I want to avoid creating short circuits inside this connector, because it's a huge battery, so we never have to short circuit the terminals of a battery. Okay, so let's try to do it. Okay, so I wonder how they do it when they mount it in the factory. So maybe we have a different sequence. Okay. Let's see. I'm almost there, but not completely. The battery is not very well aligned. And because the battery is not very well aligned, I can't push this thing here. No. So let's try to lift the battery a little bit. Okay. Now it's better. No. I moved it. Okay. So I want to say that all those videos that I do are real-time videos, so they are not prepared, so these are real-life things. So starting from something that you don't know how to do it, and then to the final result. So this is the real time you will probably need in order to do such kind of things. Okay, let's see if I can push it now. Okay, I'm almost there. No, it's too difficult. So let's try to change approach. I'm also twisting this connector. I don't want to twist this thing. Okay, so let's untwist this. Let's try like this. So I lift it like this, and then I press it from behind. I have the feeling I broke something. Okay, I disconnected this. that was here. No, nothing is broken. Now it's ways better. And now I see I can also disconnect this other connector and all the others. Okay. Now it looks more reasonable. I'm disconnecting all those connectors. But this, which is the antenna, I don't want to disconnect the antenna because it's a delicate connector. So now it's ways more easier. Okay, you see? So the trick was that one, to disconnect everything. Okay. Now the battery is connected. And now we have to connect all those things back, and I hope this will be easier than doing this. Okay. Let's see how we can do it. Okay, I put this here gently. The battery is in position. And now let's see if I connect all the connectors back to their place. No, it's again very difficult. It's difficult because I don't have enough room for my hands. Okay, let's try to do this first one because it was easier. Okay. Maybe like this. Okay, one is done. Let's try, okay, like this. Maybe I found a good position for my hands. No, that connector disconnected, but then I found that from this position I can connect the connectors more easily. Okay, let's put the big one first. Okay, now it works. Then let's put the small ones. Okay. Now this one. So many connectors. Okay. And now hopefully the last one, which is this little thing here. Okay, good. So all the connectors have been reconnected. So let's check if everything is there. I think so. Okay. So this goes here. Now this little thing here was over this antenna connector. So we put it here again. So now everything is in place. So let's check. This is the front camera. Let's put it in place. Okay. This is the back camera. Wow. The battery is in place with this piece of tape. Okay. No, it's not okay. The antenna cable is not in place. So it has to go inside a sort of cavity, which is this canal here. So we put it there back where it was. Okay, this goes here. This little thing is in place. The battery is there. Okay. This thing is here. Good. Oh, now we have to remember all the screws that we removed. Okay. So this was like this. Okay. Let's put it back. Okay. So I'm putting the screws back, but not tightening them too much. I will do this at the end. So maybe I touched the camera with my hands. So I want to clean it a little bit. Not delicately, okay, just like this. Okay. Now we have to put other screws. We have this 1, 2, 3 screws here. Which are those ones? Okay, one is smaller than the other one. I don't know which one. So let's try to put it like this. And let's see if it goes. Okay. One screw. This one. Okay. So until now it looks fine. And this one. Okay. So it looks okay. And then let's see this. This one looks twisted. So let's see if we can untwist it. Okay, this is the correct position. Okay. And now we have to close everything.